How we doing, y'all? How we doing? We got another video today. Before I start, I just want to say thank you for 500 subscribers. That's awesome. Appreciate y'all. We're gonna keep going. And today we have Turnstile, Seeing Stars / Birds. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow the Instagram, JONPRATAA, and let's get right into this one. Different vibe off rip entirely. Oh, I did not mean to skip. I was gonna say I love this vibe. Brandon's vocals on this type of instrumental is peak. Like, I was waiting for this, so I'm glad we getting this right now. Maybe we get a drop into something. Let's see what happens here. The vocals, bro. Just a chill vibe so far. I don't know. I'm loving it. I love the shot here too. Very minimal, but very distinct at the same time of what we got going on in the center. Yeah, that part, bro. The fucking vocals on that part just like overbearingly awesome, dude. Like, I don't know, like, it mirrors the instrumental in such a crazy way that I just love it. Okay, yeah, this is the, somebody cleaning here? Okay, anyway, this is the album cover from the last single. I didn't check Spotify if this is on there. It probably is. I'm assuming this is going to be the cover. Glow On was pink, and I'm assuming they're going to do a color situation where they just follow different colors. That's what I would expect from seeing this. But yeah, let's get right back into this. Do you hear those cowbells in the back, or like whatever that percussion is? The da 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 da. A lot higher. This is a sick shot right here. I like this. Oh, here we go. We're 2 minutes into this track and it's not switching up, and I'm so happy it's not. Like, I'm happy they're just going this direction right now, and it's working so fucking well, and this guitar sounds really good. Get it? The rhythm section on this track is awesome. It's just keeping it really together here. And allowing stuff to just build up off of it, but honestly, it's like doing striving by itself too. Okay, here's where we flip to Birds. Initial thought on Seeing Stars, that was fucking sick. That was awesome. I loved it. That was great. That's exactly kind of the vibe that I think that, like, I think they should still, be doing their hardcore stuff, but it's also great to see them in other fields, because they're great musicians. Vocals are literally made for tracks like that, in my opinion, but they also work so well with the hardcore stuff. Now, we just came in with the dramatic synth, and he's got the stick up in the air. I'm thinking we change vibes. That's my opinion. I think we do that. I think they're like, we can do this, but we're still here, bro. We're still back. Like, you know what I mean? So let's go right into Birds. Oh, I fucking love this shot. Oh my goodness. I have a really thing for like just like solid colors, and then like pastel, and then just like this is like perfect. This is exactly what no, sorry to glaze, but this is like a fucking, I love this. I love this shot. Just the color grading, sorry. Come on. Yeah! Oh, hell yeah! Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna say I didn't expect it, because I expected him to start going hard. But like that, I don't know. This is let's fucking go. I'm hyped. Hey! Oh, breakdown. Come on. This is a perfect music video for this song. Look at that shot. Like, look at this shot right here. This is beautiful. Finally, I can see it. These birds not meant to fly alone. Finally, I can see it. These birds not meant to fly alone. Sick. Okay, that was Turnstile, Seein Stars and Birds. Wow. That was that was amazing. I thought Birds was a little better. I thought that just hit way harder. I think that probably has more replay value for me. But I love seeing them go in this other direction here, and I hope that both of these are like separate singles on Spotify, so I can go add them to my playlist. But like, Birds, is that a cutoff there, or do you think that's the end of the song? I mean, I think that's probably the end of the song. I thought that music video is fucking beautiful. This is one of the greatest shots I've seen all year. Probably is the greatest shot I've seen all year in a music video. And yeah, I'm excited to add this shit to my playlist, man. This is awesome. We still got the little percussion kit that he be using sometimes. Yeah. Wow. Great. Fantastic. Amazing. Love it. Let me know what I should react to next, y'all. Follow me on Instagram, JONPRATAA. I have a band called Open Letter. We're going to come up with some stuff soon. But I also have my own music, John Prada. Like a sub. And yeah. Hell yeah. Turnstile. Let's go. Wow, wow.